Hello, welcome to my channel again. Just a quick video to show you, due to popular demand, people wanted to know what it looks like inside this box for this tester for common mode signals. So here's the reveal. You just flip it over and there you can see on the back of the lid of the box. It's very simple and it follows the circuit that I showed in the last video. Let me just show you that briefly if it's still there. No, it's not. You'll have to watch the previous video. Why does that happen? OBS forgets about web pages you're looking at on the browser. Anyway, so this is the backside. The device under test. It's connected to these two sockets, and the VNA is connected with these two SMA cables. And then there's the switch, which allows the VNA inner to be connected. Well, it's connected all the time to the inner of the device under test, but it also goes to the switch here. And then the VNA inner is either connected to where you'd expect it to be, or it's connected to the ground, which is these lines here, these short lines. Those are the ground connections of the device under test, which are connected to the switch, so the VNA can measure the current flow on the outer of the coax cable. So there it is. That's what's inside the box. Not very much. It took me a while to work out the layout to try and keep these conductors as short as possible and to make something that works. So there we are. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.